Knowing how to sum is great, but more often than not, you want to find the total value for a specific subset of the data you're working with. This is where SUMIF comes in really handy. Say if we wanted to find the total net value for all the invoices that belong to Carrots Limited, what we might have to do is go into the data, search quite hard, look for Carrots Limited, there's one, and put it all together. But using the SUMIF formula, we can actually select all of the invoices and then specify the condition and criteria that we want to filter these values for. This comes in really handy when you're dealing with a big listing and it's just impractical to search for it manually. To do SUMIF, type in the equals sign, SUMIF, open bracket, and then you want to select the range that you're going to specify the criteria on. So our range is going to be customer name. Then we specify the criteria, in this case, Carrots Limited. And finally, specify the range that we want to find the total value for. Note that these ranges should be equal in length and start in the same row and end in the same row. We close the formula for closing bracket and click enter. There we have it. The invoices from Carrot Limited sum to 220.